Today we are honored and pleased to have hosted the ambassador of Iran to Kenya in an effort to bring collaboration, particularly on the medical sector, where Iran is known for manufacturing world-class medical equipment, but at a very affordable cost. And our discussion was centered on how we in the county, the members of the Chamber of Commerce on the health sector in the county, can collaborate with investors from Iran, not just for supply of medical equipment to this country, but also in producing the same equipment in the country with the support of the mother companies in Iran. We are pleased to say that from the discussion we have had with His Excellency the Ambassador and his team, that Iran is one of the countries who are willing to transfer technology. They are not just out to sell their medical equipment and we become a permanent market for them, but they are willing to help us, to help the private sector in this country, to even manufacture the same equipment with their support. And therefore, this is one country I've seen who are more than ready and willing to transfer technology. And I must say that this is the area where we have a lot of issues in terms of getting products, but then not followed by transfer of technology, and therefore the lifespan of those products become a little bit limited. Most importantly, and what even excites me, is the fact that they are willing to bring investors who will work with our local Chamber of Commerce to invest in manufacturing processes of value adding the products that we produce. They are willing to invest in this country and in this county, together with our farmers who are avocado producers, to invest in avocado oil extraction companies within the county. And therefore, as a county, we shall not only be selling the fresh fruits, but we can also be selling other products that can be manufactured from these products.
Iran is almost 85 million of population. It's a good market for some of your products. I'm almost 2 years in Kenya. I started to work on expanding the relation between two countries. Now, I'm talking to you, there is a delegation in Iran from Kenya. They are marketing their products, especially tea and coffee, with the Iranian buyers. And in 3 weeks' time, I have another delegation to go to Iran. And last month, I also had a delegation from Kenya to Iran. They signed with just one of the tea buyers almost 200 metric tons of Kenyan tea per month. So imagine that there is lots of areas that we expand the relation between two countries, as His Excellency the Governor explained, regarding the medical cooperations. We are ready to also transfer the technology that you need here, not like the other countries that they avoid of that, because we were also facing with this issue, and we locally acquired these technologies, and we are ready to share with you.
We have also agreed to see how our private sector in Kenya can be able to partner with Iranian business people so that they can collaborate in areas of import-export, in areas of manufacturing locally here. And because here we're in North Rift County, we know this is a breadbasket and agricultural area of this country. Iran have mentioned that they are ready to partner with us in terms of technology, in terms of doing joint farming for purposes of export of products, and mainly in the area of fruits and modern crops or cash crops that we have. We know the government has been promoting a lot of alternative crops, and our role as a private sector is to make sure that we create markets. And I want to tell you that Kenya National Chamber of Commerce is that we have both local and international partners. We approximately have associations and MOUs, approximately 170 across the whole world, that we can be able to market products. And this is one of the associations we have today. And I want to encourage farmers that whatever you're going to plant in terms of alternative crops, Kenya National Chamber of Commerce will be there to provide leadership in terms of getting market outside this region.
Pastoralist communities around this region are the major producers of all the beef or the livestock products that are being supplied from Kenya. We are asking you, Your Excellency, that we need investors who can work with West Pokot County and Baringo County, who have already built modern abattoirs, that we only need people to operationalize, develop cold chains, and export these products.